Once again, ladies and gentlemen, our reinas for the Grand Santa Cruzan. Let's give them a big round of applause. Tomorrow, they will be appearing once again in Sorsogon City, and I will be having a photo opportunity together with the LGU officials of the municipality of Bulan. So may we request LGU officials for the photo opportunity. Actress and television host from Balasan, Iloilo. She was crowned Miss Universe Philippines 2020, representing Iloilo City, and went to place in top 21 of Miss Universe 2020, held in Florida, USA. Before entering...
Move na po, move!